Hello everyone, this is our fourth lecture on C programming. In this, we learn about control statement. These are four types: if statement, if else statement, else if statement, and nested if statement. In this lecture, we just learn about if statement. Then we just open our new source file. For this, first of all, we need to learn what is the syntax of a statement. Then syntax. Its syntax is, in first line we use hash include stdio dot h, main function int main bracket curly braces open. In this, we just if condition, any condition which you want put here, and then again use curly braces and your statement is here. After this, your if statement condition or this process is finished. If condition is true, what condition is written here? If it is true, then your body of if statement will execute, and if condition is false, then the control comes automatically out from the if block, and then your program will stop. Let's see how it's work. So let's make a program. In first line we use our header file hash include stdio dot h, main function int main curly braces. Then for this we initialize our variable int a, and we save value 5 in a. Then if our condition a is equal to 5, then it will print hello. So let's compile it and check it. Compile, save. So there is an error, stio.h, no such file are or dictionary. Here we just write stdio. So just compile. No error, no warning, run. Hello. The compiler print hello because the condition is true, so the control go inside the if body and it will print hello. And what happened if the condition were false? If a is less than equal to 5, just compile. No error, hello. It will print hello because condition is true remain, because we use equal to. If the value of a is equal to or less than 5, then it will print hello. We just use a is less than 5. So let's see what happened. Compile and run. So there is nothing. The program will do nothing because our condition is false. So the control comes out from the and it will not enter in the if body. So there is no any printf, no any statement, no any output. So there is nothing. We just move it, and then here we just use our input and output method. Here input, for input we use printf, enter any value, and scanf. Scanf is %d comma address of a के address. Here we store our value in the address of a. So let's compile and run. Enter any value. A value our is 5. No, nothing, because our value is 5 and a is less than 5. So condition is false. That's why control can't give inside the body. It will be something here, so it can't write anything. And if our condition is true and any value is 2, then it will print hello because our condition is true. Okay. So in this lecture you will learn about if statement. Thank you.